Hi everyone, I'm Dinith Perera from Nowala College, Sri Lanka, and this is my diploma for ICD first semester linked to Swinburne University, Australia. And today I'm going to talk about where clause in SQL. First of all, we're going to talk about what SQL is. SQL is structured query language, which is a computer language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data stored in a relational database. And SQL is a standard language for relational database system. And let's talk about uses of where clauses. Where clauses are used for user to filter data, which means where clause allows user to filter data from a specific selection, and it helps user to easily select data on user's need. And let's get to an example. Where clause mostly comes with operators that compare two values, such as equal to, not equal to, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Now in this table in the example, you can see multiple queries that use where clause to filter rows. As you can see in the example, they already gave us how many rows will be selected when the specific query entered. I've recreated this table in ISQL to see whether the answer will come according to the example. Let's demonstrate. In the first one, select all from the lecturer one, which means table's name, where age is equal to 34. In the example they gave us two rows will be selected, and as you can see, it selected two rows that where age is equal to 34. So it selects Bruce Lee and Sanjay. And the next query is select all from the lecturer one table, where age is less than 34. So as you can see, 4 rows has been selected that the age is less than 34. So Lisa, Aaron, Jane and Jim will be selected from this. Moving on to the next example, the query is select all from the lecturer 1 where the age is not equal to 21. So you can see that except Lisa Simons, everyone's age is different than 21. So 6 rows will be selected except Lisa. Moving on to the next slide. In this query, it selects all from the table where age is greater than or equals to 34. So it selects the 3 rows that age is equal to 34 and greater than 34. So it will select Bruce Lee, Sanjay and John Smith. In this example, it selects all from the lecturer 1 where the age is greater than 34. Which means only John Smith will be selected because he is the only person that age is more than 34. So moving on to the next example. So in this example, the query is to select all from the lecturer 1 where the age is less than or equals to 50. So you can assume that everyone will be selected because as you can see, everyone is under 50 years old. Moving up to the last query of the example. So in this example, it selects all from the table where the age is less than 20, which means no one will be selected in this case because there is no one that age is below 20 years old. So it says, okay, 0 rows selected. So we're moving on to the assignment example. So we had a question to get results only the female customers count. So in this query, you can see we were using an inner join. And at the last line of the query, it says where cisgender is equals to F. So it specifically select only the female customers and display the answer as 6, which means the total order count that made by female customer. And this is the end of this video. Thank you everyone for watching.